Hey guys, so today we're going to the Lyfe Motorsports complex in a secret location. Today, Lyfe Motorsports is putting on a Crown Victoria Derby race, a Spec Crown Vic, not NASA approved yet. And they're also doing a little bit of a drift event also, so I'm going to be doing the drifting part today. So we're going to go find the secret location, and we're gonna get some skids in today. I'm excited. I've never been here before. I'm not sure how the layout's going to work, what's going on. I know there's not going to be many drivers, so there should be a good amount of seat time. All right, guys, we're about here. We're in the super secret location. It's kind of cool. Now it's like out in the middle of nowhere. It's secret. No one can know where it is. I'm not sure if it's really that secret, but I like to pretend it's secret so I feel special. Anyway, we're gonna unpack the car real quick, see if I can help anyone out while they're getting ready, and we'll go from there. Some of the Hoonigans, I think, are gonna be here today, so that'll be pretty cool. So I was kind of struggling to find it, and I followed the address and drove around this industrial lot a little bit, and I found it. Apparently I'm just the first one here. I got here super early, and didn't really like. Google Maps told me is like, actually, you know what? I'm not gonna let anyone calculate where I'm at pending on distance. Anyway, I beat Google Maps by 45 minutes, so that's that's fun. So I'm just waiting now. Alright guys, car's all ready to go. I actually drove down here on the drift set, so we're good to go. I brought dailies with me, so that way when they're roasted, I can just swap the dailies on and go. And the car doesn't look as janky because it has matching wheels now, but the vinyl wrap came off the front bumper at a car wash, so gotta take the good with the evil, you know. Let's go check out some of the cars. Here's one of them. Beautiful example of a Crown Vic. There's, I think that's Cole's. He's running this whole event, so that's pretty dope. Got another one here. This one's kind of unique because this is Chair Slayers and it's got hand controls in it. I'm not sure if you can see them with the window or the door shut, but yeah, Chair Slayer is going to be here today. We got some cabs. I wonder if they're giving a ride along because that'd be cool. Yeah, I think I'm the only drifter here so far, so we'll see how that goes. It's cheap thing, bro. You won't understand. All right, we've got more people showing up. Let's go see what else we got here. Oh, we got some nice camera stuff here. Well, this blows my setup out of the water. And scared of my gimbal. Okay, this is cool. So this is stabilized, or how does this?
Yeah, so it's basically just a big suspension arm for the camera. So like we can go through like whoops at like 40 with it, and it just stays.
It just stable. It's not automated, is it, or does it have?
It's just all.
It just smooths mechanical. It out. Okay, very cool.
But between that and then the gimbal, it smooths everything out.
That's awesome. Anyone know where Cole is?
Where's Cole? It's time for warm-up.
I'm just getting antsy to drive.
Yeah.
Can we drive yet?
Yeah, there's some shit set.
I didn't get a clear answer if I could go, so I'm just gonna go. Oh. How many of you guys are drifting today? All right, this is the ghetto drivers meeting for anyone drifting. I guess the Crown Vics can come up also. We get some tandems on. We just want to be mindful around this area over here, on this street where where it turns left and right. want to be mindful of people walking, cars coming through. It's kind of treated like a pit area. When we're in the paddock over there, though, we're good to go. But make sure to look ahead because you never know when one of the rally cars are going to come off course. So it's pretty lax. Just make sure you guys are like aware of your surroundings. Make sure you're looking ahead, and safety is always funner, right? Okay, that was my 2-minute driver's meeting.
Yo, Kurt.
You.
I don't think you realize, but you got a fucking bash bar.
Oh yeah. Oh, yo. Am I the one with the bash bar?
I don't have a bash bar.
I got a bash bar.
Vic if it doesn't have
Yo,
I don't have a bash bar.
It's already more prep drift car than me.
There's stuff hanging off the back. Come on. What's hanging off the back? Damn, I must have.
Higher fuel set.
No. What's that?
This is so fun. Hey, if you wanna drift my car, I'd be honored. My name is Basim.
What's up, man? How
Nice to meet
doing?
you.
Hi, Kevin.
Nice to meet you too. Oh, you in the Z or something?
Yeah, the Black Z that just made a bunch of noise.
What's the drift course? Just those outside turns?
I just did a little figure 8 real quick.
Okay,
so
okay.
we might do kind of a snake because there's some walls we can try to get close to
Yeah.
and dip into like the dirt. So
Nice. Yeah.
it's really like laid back though.
Maybe later you can have some fun.
Come
It's my first time here, so it'd definitely be cool to.
Yeah, the
toss some
small
stuff
but
around.
growing drift scene here.
Yeah, no, this is sweet, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah. So if you want to snag a ride, feel free.
Sweet. What was your name again? Sorry.
Basim.
Basim?
Yeah, it's a different name. So
That shit.
My name's different too.
Sarah's gonna
It's
fuck
her
you up
stretch.
if you get too fresh.
That's the full
we're more
version.
unique. No one's ever gonna have the same name in your classroom, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Sick. It was nice meeting you.
You too, man.
I really don't know what layout I'm doing. I'm just kind of sending it in. So
Alright, fuck it, why not?
a lot of rocks. We'll clean it up as we go, though.
Yeah.
So ignore that piece of plastic. Oh, where'd that Miata go? I thought he was gonna run. All right, let's go again.
Alright.
If I got a paddock to myself, I'm using it.
I don't blame you.
I just gotta be careful with these rocks. I don't like them.
Oh, dude, I'm just sneak one of those up, too. Fuck yeah.
That was fucking cool.
That was fucking awesome, man.
Alright, I need to stop doing the 360s. I like wore the tire out pretty hard that last time, so.
Just do power.
That was like, I clenched my butt cheek just a little bit. We got the race here. We got front row seats, right, Nick?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you. There we go. I forgot to say that actually.
I just was doing it to tease you, but sure.
Oh, am I in your way, Nick?
No, you're good.
Oh. Yeah. Woo! All right, we got wave 2 coming through. I really feel like this needs some power-ups like Mario Kart. That'd really make it more interesting.
Oh, yeah. I like that spot. Like, it's pretty rough.
Welcome to Radwood, Utah. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh, is that coolant?
It's something.
All right, that was the first heat. They're gonna have another heat in an hour, but in between that, we're gonna go get some skids in. I got my tires flipped because I'm bald, and I have 2.5 degrees of camber, so like half of it's bald, half of it has plenty of tread. So there's a tire machine here, luckily, so we flipped them. So we're ready to go. And the gimbal has ran out of battery, guys. Oh no, I don't need it anymore. But oh, this is terrifying. All right, let's get some more skids in. I definitely hit something hard that time. All right, let's get aggressive, guys. Oh, let me make sure the camera's good. Oh, too aggressive. That was a good run. Oh, Z problems. This is a fun little layout. Like, it's nothing crazy, but
yeah, no, just cool to get that right.
I think Cole built some roads up to this to be dope.
You just did a second year the whole time?
Yeah, second year the whole time.
Oh shit!
What's going on there?
The race is about to start.
Oh, are you in it right now?
Yeah. Oh, they're just doing some fun laps.
Oh, okay, just some video stuff.
Some media laps. You just do it first or second gear?
I do second gear. I just more huck, I guess.
Yeah, it feels.
Because we're at high elevation, so this car makes like 30 horsepower less than.
Okay.
At least that's what I tell myself when I get gapped on the street.
I'm starting first.
Oh yeah, you gotta.
What's your tire pressure?
25 right now.
Man,
I'm trying to get them to wear a little, or last a little longer, so.
I see. Yeah, this is,
It's not prepped at all.
man, you're a G for being able to make this thing slip out like that. Yeah, this thing is not so easy to drive.
I'll go over this at a low angle.
Yeah, second gear, man, is tough.
Yeah,
You're a champ for that.
it's good learning. I feel like it's like great learning as a driver, at least, to like
Oh
learn the
yeah.
momentum. The only reason I haven't done anything like intensive, like a welded diff or more angle, is I actually do time attack in this car also.
Okay.
So it's double duty. So it's kind of like I'm playing that fine line where it's not the best at one thing, but I can do both.
Yeah.
So.
I personally run a little higher tire pressure.
Yeah, and the only reason I went down, I went 35 earlier today. I went down just because I was already bald. I was already almost showing cords about. And Brandon flipped tires for me. He said run lower pressure, it'll last longer. So I was like, okay, we'll give it a shot. So.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah. Hey, thanks.
No problem, man. Thanks for letting me rip.
Well, we got a quiet moment. Anyone who has never seen any of my videos, this car still has a viscous diff, stock angle, so, and the stock e-brake, which is kind of worn. Hasn't been working that good today. Just wanted to throw that in there real quick. All right, we're in Nick's Miata. We're gonna be nice to it. This is the first time drifting in Miata. I've done plenty of instructionals at autocross in Miata, but this will be totally different.
Okay, we're good.
Man, the clutch grab's high on this.
Oh, you said the clutch is bad, so.
It's gonna be nice to it. Alright, that's all I'm gonna do. I just want to see how it handles.
Yeah.
It's definitely like, you really gotta work for the car.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna end the day there. We're out of tire. We've only got a couple hours left, so I'm not gonna make it too hard to find other tires. But I had a blast with everyone today. It was super cool meeting everyone from Hoonigans and Lyfe Motorsports, and then meeting up with like old friends as well and drifting. This was a really fun, like really small course, but it was super fun to have to ourselves to play on. And love to do it again sometime, actually. Got to meet some cool people in the drift community, and hope to keep meeting more people and keep expanding. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching.